This is 1423 West Diamond Street, Carlisle Street entrance. This is 1423 West Diamond Street studio apartment. This apartment shares an entrance with Unit 1R, situated on Carlisle Street. This is a bi-level studio apartment with a mezzanine sleeping area. This is the kitchen. There is a refrigerator and a gas stove here. This is the bathroom. This is the shower. This is the mezzanine level sleeping area. This is the coin-operated laundry for our tenants on Diamond Street. It's located around the corner from 1423 West Diamond Street. It's on Carlisle Street. There are 5 washers and 5 dryers.